gonna be the OG Swoop. You know, shout out to Swoop. She's usually live on Wednesdays and Thursdays, and then she has her Sexy Saturdays. Now, if by the name of it is Sexy Saturdays, so any kids that are watching, stay your ass at home and don't be messing with them Sexy Saturdays. But for the grown folks, y'all know how grown folks talk. So go check her out every Saturday, and definitely go hit up the Buy Me a Coffee and show Swoop some support, because she will definitely appreciate it. Then once again, we have our homeboy Creative. He's got his own Buy Me a Coffee, I believe. If not, just use the Higher Desert Exotic Buy Me a Coffee, because, like I said, he's doing it big out here on the podcast. So support both his channels and hit him up on Buy Me a Coffee. Let him know, hey, you might not be monetized yet, but here's 5 on it, dog. We got you. We gonna carry you through there. Let me see. Let me see. We're gonna put the W on the screen. Give y'all some different screen displays while I'm over here finishing up the list. But like I was saying a second ago, shout out to the big homie Rich New Designs, aka West. Y'all know Rich put in some work for me. He's done plenty of things for me, as far as logos and any type of things you want designed. I definitely suggest you hit him up, because you can book consultations or actually pay for his products and services, which his products and services include digital designs and any. I mean, just talk to Wes if you want something done, and by paying him, he'll actually have to do it. Wes is one of them guys. He'll be so busy doing a lot of stuff that, hey, if he wasn't getting paid to do it, he wouldn't be doing some of the things that he does, because he's got other things he enjoys doing that he can just do. But hey, when you see him do something, you'll be like, I get why Popcorn recommended him. So if I want Wes to do something like that for me, you better just go ahead and break bread and make him put it out there like Jesus said. Anyways, shout out to the W though, because like I said, that's another affiliate program link that we got. So if you ain't got you some links and sponsors, you better figure out how to get these things. And if you can't figure it out, just holler at me, because I'm showing you the ones that I done came up with. I also got one with the company I did the stamp with. Man, I ain't even used that one in so long. I done forgot what it's actually called. I'm gonna have to check back into that, because we got affiliate links for days. I got so many of them now, I'm starting to forget. Hell, I got to go back and review my own stuff. That way I know what all I need to be reminding people that we have available for them. Somebody needs to book another consultation, because then I have to put up another presentation. Speaking of presentation, old buddy last night on Higher Desert Exotic, he came through with a 3-point presentation. I appreciated that, because I initially came through, dropped the Buy Me a Coffee link for Higher Desert Exotic. Yeah, I dropped their Buy Me a Coffee link. It's just like this right here, right? It's just like this right here, like this right here, like right here. This shit right here. We call that El Fuego, okay? Go check out that interview they did over there. Use a Buy Me a Coffee link to get to their YouTube. Then you go to their YouTube playlist and you'll find last night's video, last night's live, because it was hot. You see what I'm saying? They did that. They did it. But anyways, let's see. We an hour and 10 minutes into it. This must have been that roach blunt, because it got me on straight chatty patty status, which is cool because it's a Buy Me a Coffee video. I'm supposed to do a lot of talking. A lot of talking. Let's go to the business website. Shout out to the business website, because, like I said, one of the things we used Buy Me Coffee for was to build up the LLC, and this is one of the things that my Buy Me a Coffee memberships pays for, which is my website, because it ain't free. You dig? That's why I remind people, when you actually out here doing this, there are things that are business transactions, which support from the supporters is always welcome, because that keeps the business actually doing what it's supposed to do. And you did, we doing what we supposed to do on that side. Shout out to keeping it legitimate. Shout out to the website, because like I said, hell, y'all know to go check out the website. It's got its own qualities for you. It's www.teamdwc.info. Yeah, indoor gardens content. Go check it out. And it's also got a link to the Buy Me a Coffee there too. So they all run together. One takes you to one brings you back to the other one. It's a circle of life. What do we say? You pass the information around. If you ain't passing it around,